fits in, of course, with our own capability and our own capacity as project managers. And it is something that we actually focus on in the course, is our development as individuals, as project managers. It sounds very simple to manage a project, but yes, thank you. You've just put the course outline up for me. But there's a whole range of different aspects of project management that we look at. And so we look at the actual scope, and part of scoping a project is also about doing things like a feasibility to find out if this thing can be done or not. There's no point building an 85-story building if we can't get the permit to actually lay the foundation in the first place. So that's one of the reasons why we do feasibility studies, and we develop business cases, and then we write the project scope, for example. Time is about project scheduling and about project time management and how long it takes, working out how long it takes to complete a stage of a project, and actually putting that into play and creating breakdown structures, and then in turn managing our project schedule. And there's a number of different types of scheduling we can do, and it depends on our project management methodologies. So because we look at a range of different project methodologies in this course, we're able to support students to develop the ability to, even if you like, matrix those project management methodologies so projects actually happen efficiently and effectively and have good outcomes. Continuous improvement is incredibly important in project management. We need to be constantly reviewing, and we need to look at our change management processes and how we actually put those things into place. So there's a whole range of things throughout the course that we actually look at, and we like to speak about the course as an end-to-end project process. So if you like, we start off with ourselves, we develop ourselves, develop project teams and how to establish a project office, and then we move into actually managing a specific project. So if you like, we look at the project management process as an end-to-end process in the course itself. So from that very moment that somebody says, let's do a project, through to, hey, we finished the project and we've completed all the deliverables and it's all done, in the closeout phase of the project.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Now, one thing that you've talked about, Iona, is the application to construction. I think the project management skill set, and certainly the units that are covered here and the skills and knowledge components, can extend to a variety of industries, whether it be IT, construction, retail, whatever it may be. And, I mean, has the course been designed in such a way that it is applicable across a number of areas like that?
The course is exactly as you suggest. It's applicable to a number of different areas. We must remember, though, that in areas like civil construction or construction itself, there is very specific project documentation and very specific project methodologies that we would use. There's also other processes that we might use, for example, in a very formal environment where we would undertake to issue tender documents and things like that. So the course itself doesn't actually include that issuance of tender documents or estimation. We focus on project management and actually a specific process or project management process. The course draws a lot on the project management book of knowledge, and it embeds the different parts of the project management book of knowledge. So you can't say that it is specific to any industry, but it does actually support people in businesses in different roles in different industries. But we would need to be very open that it doesn't include that project-specific documentation for construction, for civil engineering.